Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Pancake Papa. And today, we have a special one for you kiddos out there, because I have a friend, his name is Wyatt, and Wyatt is 7 years old, and I heard that he loves Pokemon. And in particular, there's this little yellow fuzzy one. He shoots lightning from his tail, something like Bulbasaur or Charmander. No, it's Pikachu! We all know it's Pikachu. And Wyatt, I wish I could catch you a real one, but since I can't, we're gonna do the next best thing, and that is making you your very own Pikachu pancake. So you know what, kids? Can you say it with me? It's time for pancakes! Let's do this! And pan's hot, and we're about to get things started. And since Pikachu is one of our more famous friends, again, we can't put a little picture of him up here. So parents, pull up a little picture online and you can follow right along with us, all right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the outline, fill in a few of the darker spots, and then we'll check in a few. Time to start drawing. And update number one, outline's done. We filled in his ears, a little bit of his eyes, just a little bit of that tail, okay? We're letting him cook for a second, and then we'll start filling the rest. And we'll check in right before we finish the eyes. We've made it to that point. We filled in all of his body, and the last part of Pikachu is his eyes. And as always, we let it drop from the top. And today we're going up real high above the head. Oh, eye number one and eye number two. All we have to do is loosen him up and get him ready to flip. And Wyatt, we've made it to that time, buddy. It's time to see your Pikachu. So can you do the countdown with me? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, boom! Your very own Pikachu pancake. What I'm gonna do is let it cook for just a second. We're gonna put him on a plate, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Woo! What an awesome episode today, everybody. Wyatt, I hope you absolutely love your Pikachu pancake. And what I need you to do, buddy, is have your parents make one at home. Let's see them give it a try, take a picture of it, and share it with us online so that we can join in on the fun with you. And other parents out there, if your kiddos would love to see the Pancake Papa make a special pancake just for them, find me on Instagram at the Pancake Papa, shoot me a direct message, and we might just make one for them. All right? But until then, the only other thing we need you to do is subscribe down below. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye!